All right, so let's have a look at question 9. So if we have a look at the top, we've got the first one is just to write an equation that describes it. So we've got Kate's age 5 years ago. So let's just do K. So Kate's age is equal to K. And 5 years ago, so 5 years ago would be minus 5. Because if you say Kate's age is 20, 5 years ago, it'd be 20 minus 5, so she would have been 15. So we've got Kate's age 5 years ago, K minus 5, then when doubled. So we're going to double that. So what we'll do, we'll put that in brackets and then multiply that by 2. So that's double Kate's age 5 years ago. So that is equal to triple her age 10 years ago. So her age 10 years ago is K minus 10. We're going to put that in brackets because we're going to multiply that again, aren't we? Bracket, bracket. So let's get rid of those 2 brackets because they were not great. So 2 brackets there, and it's triple her age. That'll be 3. So if 2 times the brackets K minus 5 is equal to 3 times the brackets K minus 10, we've got to expand the brackets first, don't we? So what we're going to do next, when we expand, we multiply by both values here. So we'll have 2K minus 10. And we've got to do the same to this side too. So we multiply by there and multiply by there. So that'll give us 3K minus 30. So that minus stays the same. So we don't change that sign because this is a positive on this side here. Same for both of them. So now what we have to do, we have to collect our like terms. So 2K on this side, and we've got 3K on this side. I would subtract the 2K because that's smaller than the 3K. And that'll just mean we won't have to get rid of a negative later on. So we've got here, we've got minus 2K. Then on this side, minus 2K. That'll then give us negative 10 on this side. Is equal to 3K minus 2K is just K. Because they're like terms, we can add and subtract like we normally would with just any other number. So it'll be K minus 30. Sorry, that's a terrible 3. Let's try and fix that up. K minus 30. From there, we just simplify like we have been previously. So we've got K minus 30 on this side, so we want to get rid of that negative 30. So I would just plus 30 to both sides, plus 30. So that'll give us our final answer. So we need a plus 30 to here. That'll cancel out that. And then we've got plus 30 onto this negative 10, which will give you 20. So 20 is equal to K. So that means if we go all the way back up to the top, so that's what we've got out there for our solution. So that's how we solve the equation to find Kate's current age. So her current age is 20.